Welcome to Medellín, the city of eternal spring, a place where the mountains whisper stories of a past redefined by hope. Once known as the world's most dangerous city, today it stands as a global model for social and urban transformation. In this three-part series, we'll walk through the streets that built this legend. This is part 1, the heart and the hillside. Before we dive in, if you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Our journey begins in the heart of the city, Plaza Botero, a 7,000 square meter open-air museum. Here, 23 bronze giants by Fernando Botero stand as symbols of abundance and the sensuality of life. Locals believe rubbing these bronze curves brings luck or fertility. It's art that the city lives with every single day. Botero didn't just donate art, he gave his home city a new identity during its most challenging years. But to truly understand Medellín's grit and its rebirth, we must leave the valley floor and climb higher. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Welcome to Comuna 13. Once a literal battleground, it has become the ultimate canvas of resilience. These 6 outdoor escalators replace 350 concrete steps, turning a grueling 25-minute climb into a 6-minute ride of dignity. The true soul of the Comuna is found on its walls. Every splash of paint tells a story of survival and hope. Look closely at the murals. The white rags symbolize the peace white sheets ceasefire during the city's darkest military operations. The grit is still here, but it's been reimagined with the colors of 1,000 dreams. This is a community taking its power back. From street performers to local guides, the youth here are the new guardians of Medellín's story. From the top, you don't just see a city, you see a miracle of social equity and urban planning. The Paisas, as the locals are known, carry a pride that is infectious. They didn't just survive the past, they outshined it. Even the air is part of the change. The metro cable system was the first in the world to use cable cars for mass transit. It was built on a simple philosophy, the most beautiful for the most humble. It's about more than transit, it's about connection. By having travel times for thousands, the city literally bridged the gap between isolation and opportunity. Medellín is a city that refused to be defined by its shadows. It chose to paint its future in the brightest colors possible. Our journey is just beginning. In part 2, we'll dive deeper into the lush views of Pueblito Paisa and the soul of Paisa culture. Thank you for walking with us. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.